Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the battery and memory service door. Removal. Remove the three 6mm P1 Phillips head screws, identified with a keyboard icon on the base enclosure. Note, one of the screws is in the memory compartment, next to the keyboard icon. Partially open the display panel. Using a non-marring tool, punch through the cutout next to the screw hole and keyboard icon in the memory compartment to begin separating the keyboard from the notebook. Turn the notebook right side up and open the display panel fully. Using your finger or a flat-bladed non-marring tool, gently lift up on the rear edge of the keyboard and slide the keyboard towards the rear of the notebook to release the tabs at the front of the keyboard. Important: do not lift the keyboard further away from the notebook than necessary to access the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector. Gently lift up on the locking bar on the keyboard ZIF connector and remove the keyboard ribbon cable. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the keyboard. Replacement. Place the keyboard on the top cover so that the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector are accessible. Insert the keyboard ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the system board and gently press down on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully tow the tabs on the bottom edge of the keyboard into the top cover and press the keyboard flat. Close the display panel and turn the notebook upside down. Replace the three 6mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the keyboard to the notebook.